Hi, I'm Chris Carl. I'm a horticulturalist with Ambius, here today at the beautiful Laguna Beach Nursery in Southern California. I'm going to show you how to cut an orchid plant. This is a Phalaenopsis orchid, probably the most common orchid you're going to find in the marketplace. Quite often, after a stalk has died out, all the blooms are spent, and you want to see if you can get another spike to come up. You're going to get your orchid cut right below the node. A node is a little triangular shaped area where a plant can often put out a new spike. So what you're going to do is find your node that's closest down to the plant itself, and you're going to trim right above the node, removing the orchid stem so that a new plant can generate. So once you trim your orchid, taking off the stem, you're allowing the orchid plant to have more energy to put back into the roots and the foliage, and also, more importantly, giving the plant more energy so that next year, or maybe within the next year in a few months, you will have a new stem grow from above the orchid node, giving you more blooms and lasting a good long time with your orchid plant. I'm Chris Carl with Ambius, and I hope that helps you with how to trim your orchid plant.